Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which we talk about I will tell you about the best website from where you can learn a particular skill which we are talking about in our video. So guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I will teach you about how you learn Kotlin programming language from the websites. So I will teach you about the three websites from where you can learn Kotlin. Um Kotlin is used for Android application development. Firstly, we use Java for Android development, but now the word has shifted towards Kotlin. So Kotlin is now a competitor of Java in Android application development. So as you know, our video format. First of all, we will go to fiverr.com and then check the competition and demand of the skill, and then we will go towards the website. So I'm going to fiverr.com. Fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing platform where you can sell your services online and earn money through it. So here I write in the search bar Kotlin. As you can see, 728 services available. Let's analyze some gig. This, this. As you can see, there is only 728 services available, means there is no high competition. So the first one is from Ashish Rudra, India. In basic, he charge $500. Simple offline application. We will develop simple offline application with 2 to 3 screens. Okay. In $1,500 in standard package, he charge. We will help to develop app with 5 to 8 screens with API. Okay. In premium, he charge $3,000. We will help to develop app with 10 to 15 screens with API and backend. Okay. He's Fiverr choice and he completed 143 orders completed. And you can also check out his profile. Uh, he's expert in mobile app development, software development, website development. Okay. You can also check out his gig description and take an idea and make your own. After that, you can also compare his uh, packages, and that's it. So that's it for this gig. You can also check out his FAQs to get an idea. So that's it for this gig. So I close this gig. In the next gig is from Basim Fahmy from Egypt. He completed 56 order, 12 5-star reviews. Okay, in basic package he charged $100. Simple app, course training project, etc. Max 3 screen. Okay, in standard he charged $200. Mid level app 3 to 7 screens. Okay, in professional he charged $300. I will make high level professional app with Firebase and backend integration using Kotlin. Okay, quality is priority. Okay, uh, um, you can also compare his package. You can also see his portfolio here. Yeah, it's his portfolio is good. You can also watch it by clicking it, and you can also analyze his gig description and take an idea for your gig. Okay, this is great. After that, let's move towards our last gig. I will be your Android app developer full for mobile app development using Kotlin. Mohammad Saad from Pakistan, and he completed one order, and the first order is of 5-star reviews. In basic package, he charged. I will develop Android app for 2 to 4 screen. Okay. In standard, he charged $150. In this package, I will develop Android app for up to 10 screens with API data or Firebase. Okay. In premium, he charged $200. In this package, I will develop custom Android apps for your needs. Okay, 7-day delivery, unlimited revisions. Great. And you can also check out his profile bio, and you can also check out his gigs. Great. And take a look and take an idea for your own gig description. One thing I repeat, do not copy any freelancer gig description. Fiverr will never rank your profile if you do so. So take an idea from other freelancers gig and make your own gig. So I think that's it for the Fiverr part. Let's move towards our website part. So the first website to learn Kotlin is kotlinlang.org. Here you can learn Kotlin very easily, They give us tutorials, Kotlin code track, Kotlin hands-on, Kotlin tapes, Kotlin books, advent of Kotlin code puzzles. You can easily learn them. They divide the topics in sections, so you can easily learn one by one from beginning. So this is a website to consider. And let's move towards our next website, which is udacity.com, Kotlin for Android developers. And this is a course you can learn for free. Lesson 1, convert an app to Kotlin. And when you enroll in this course, you can easily learn from the beginning. So this is also a great website. So I close this website and move towards our last website, which is called kotlinacademy.com. Site with mission to simplify Kotlin learning. Okay. All articles, effective Kotlin, dictionary, submit. You can also check out the Kotlin news, Kotlin tutorials here. So you can learn easily from it. So guys, this is the last website. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.